Hello, friends. Today is the winter fireplace decor challenge. Our host is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Our guest host is Jill Stiles and Jessica Myers. Please check out all their channels in my description box as well as a playlist for other winter fireplace decorating inspiration. Today I will be creating a peacock themed mantle with the twist of an angel. Here's my mantle so far. My garland I've worked on a little bit. And I've worked on these vases, but this is a teaching moment right here. Sometimes you do your vases and you do them setting at eye level and they look gorgeous. Then you put them on your mantle and you think, well, that's an epic fail. So I'm gonna have to redo the vases. So when you do your vases, do them and set them on the mantle and then look back and go, are they as pretty as when they were right in front of me? Because it's a different perspective. Yeah, I'm crying too. I thought those were gonna be pretty like that, but they're not. Okay, I redid the vases. And because I wanted our beautiful peacocks to be the main attraction and not covered up with flowers. Tell me what you think about these. And I know Stephanie's already going, where's the angel? I've been thinking about that. Where am I gonna put an angel? We'll see. We got some ribbon. I want to add some more ribbon. And then we'll see where we can add an angel. Okay, I made a bow. Yeah, that's how it always starts, right? I made a bow. I gotta get it fluffed out a little better, but I'm gonna just dovetail the ends of the ribbon. I'm gonna get this fluffed out. And you want your tails going in all the right directions. And I'm going to add this. I'm gonna move this for right now. And I'm going to add a bow right here because it just needs it. It's screaming, I need a bow. I'm gonna move this too. Screaming, I need a bow right here. Just needs finished off. And I think that bow will help finish that off. I'm going to add our beautiful peacock back on. I'm going to add him, I think, and try to add him in a different direction. The biggest thing is I don't want him covered up. And then I got this, actually I got these and the rose gold poinsettias. I got those at Temu. I'm still not satisfied with where he's at, so I'm gonna remove him again. I'm gonna zhoosh, just kind of fluff up this ribbon that's here. I don't want it over my bow. And put these lights under. They just kind of got out of place. And then I'm going to put him back. There. And now I may add a couple more ornaments there because it needs it. Oh, these would be fun. These would be really fun to add. Everybody's liking the disco balls in the silver. I love them in the turquoise. I got them after Christmas last year, and I'm loving them. I'm gonna just add a few disco balls. And now I'm going to add some more sparkle. Hold on. These, I think I'm going to add some of these. Just add a little bit of sparkle. Actually, these aren't ornaments. These are from the wedding section of Hobby Lobby. And I'm just taking and using my garland to attach them. I think I'm going to add like 3 of these just to give it a little bit of sparkle at the end of our garland. Yeah, I like that. I'll show you what it looks like here. We're starting off with the nativity that Terry painted. And with the words true story. And then I did a peacock theme for my mantle and my tree this year. So here we go. Start off, I have bells coming down and then a bow and our crystals. And our disco balls in turquoise. Our poinsettias here, the big ones, the blue and the purple is from Walmart. So's the birds and the peacocks that's on the mantle. These little things here and the rose gold poinsettias, those are from Temu. The gold ornaments, that's from Michael's, and same way with the green or the gold and the rose gold picks in the back. Those are from Michael's. Our Peacock, he's from Amazon with this beautiful tail. Our vases are from General Dollar. This is from a friend. And same over there. The little angel is from Amazon, and it's got butterflies, which is what I collect, and I love my butterflies. Oh, and one of my poinsettias fell down. Dang, I'll have to fix that. That's another Walmart bird. And that is our mantle this year.